Ranked the 12th fastest growing city in the US, Lebanon, Tennessee is exploding with demand, and the Michter positions you to capture both passive income and long-term appreciation. Just 30 minutes from downtown Nashville, this unit is scheduled for completion in November of 2025 and is a 3-bed, 2.5-bath home that's purpose-built for today's renters. It's got modern finishes, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and smart home technology with energy-efficient systems that maximize tenant appeal while keeping the costs low. Rental income is expected to begin as early as Q1 of 2026, positioning investors to lock in returns quickly. Now let's talk about the market. Strategically located just off of I-40, the Michter offers commuter convenience alongside access to schools, parks, retail centers, and healthcare facilities. Now, Lebanon's population has surged nearly 39% since 2020, ranking it among the fastest growing cities in the nation. This momentum is fueled by migration from higher cost markets as renters and buyers seek affordability without sacrificing access to Nashville's job market. Now, housing affordability is a key driver here. With average home prices in the low 400,000s, roughly half the cost of Nashville homes, demand in Lebanon is strong. And long-term appreciation has been impressive. With home values growing at 8% annually over the past decade, Michter represents a turnkey investment built for durable cash flow and long-term value appreciation. You can get started with as little as $100 in the Michter. Check out the Realbricks marketplace to learn more.